Hello student, today we will complete our lesson number 6, the junk seller. So today is our last session of this chapter and word problem is the topic. Okay, now see, this question is related to the junk shop. Now see, I have explained about a junk seller. What is a junk seller? ये इसको हम कबाड़ी वाला कहते हैं, who sells junk. Now junk क्या होता है? Junk means unused material, unused product. हम अपने घर में many things we use, but थोड़े टाइम बाद वो पुराना हो जाता है, right? उसके बाद में we not use it. So what will we do? We sell it to the junk seller. Junk seller means कबाड़ी वाले को हम दे देते हैं. And what will he do? वो हमसे कम प्राइस में खरीद देता है and then after junk shop पर वो बेचता है, उससे थोड़ा ज़्यादा दाम में, ताकि he will get profit. Okay, now this question is related to the junk shop. Okay, now see the first question. Given below is the rate list of Anuj shop who buys junk from junk seller. As I explained what is junk seller and what is junk. Okay, now see, here is the price list of Anuj shop, item and price of kg, per kg. See, how many items? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Waste paper, price of per kg is rupees 6. Okay, now plastic, price of per kg is rupees 15. Iron rupees 20 per kg and brass rupees 190, then newspaper rupees 8. Now see the question number A of this question. Okay, now see, Vijay goes to sell 10 kg waste paper and 12 kg newspaper. How much money will he receive from Anu? Again read it. Vijay goes to sell 10 kg waste paper and 12 kg newspaper. So here there are different items. See, first is waste paper and the second is newspaper. So in this question we have to find out the amount of two items. First is waste paper and the second is newspaper. How much money will he receive from Anu? So first of all, find out the price of the waste paper. Okay, waste paper. Now see, first of all, he sells 10 kg. Now, what is the price of per kg? Waste paper rupees 6. So, 1 kg price is rupees 6. So, we have to find out the price of 10 kg. Okay, so 10 kg price, how much? What will we do here? So, value of 1 is given, that is rupees 6, value of 1 kg is rupees 6 and value of more than, value of 10 kg we have to find out. So, we have to do here multiplication. 10 multiplied by 6, rupees 60. So, the price of the waste paper is rupees 6. Now, move to the next item, that is newspaper. Okay. Now see, 1 kg newspaper price will be rupees 8. So 1 kg price rupees 8. So 12 kg newspaper price we have to find out. So 12 kg price, how much? So here also value of 1 is given. Value of 1 kg is given and value of more than, value of 12 kg is asking. So here we will do multiplication. 12 multiplied by 8. Now see, take the table of 12. 12 8s are, it is 96. Okay. So here the price of waste paper is rupees 60 and the price of newspaper is rupees 96. Now see how to find out the total amount. This one and this one we have to add. So here see how much amount of waste paper, it is rupees 60. Rupees 60 waste paper. Okay. Now see, after waste paper amount we have to write newspaper amount. Okay, rupees 96. newspaper. To find out the total amount, we have to add. So, put the symbol of addition. It is plus. Now see, 0 plus 6, 6, and 6 plus 9, it is 15. Okay. So, 156, it is a total amount. Now, see the question. How much money will he receive from Anuj? So, answer will be, he will receive rupees 156 from Anuj. Okay, see, this is the price list, and in this question, the next question is Sunita, the next junk seller. Okay, Sunita sells 20 kg plastic, 2 kg brass and 10 kg iron. How much money will she receive from Anuj? So, she sells 3 items. First, 20 kg plastic, then 2 kg brass and 10 kg iron. So, total 3 items she sells. So, we have to find out the amount of these 3 items. So, let's see one by one. First is plastic. Okay. Now, 1 kg plastic price will be rupees 50. 1 kg price rupees 50. So, 20 kg plastic, 20 kg price, how much? Okay, 1 kg price is rupees 50, 20 kg price how much? So, here value of 1 is given, value of more than is asking. So, we will do here multiplication. 20 multiplied by 50. Okay, now see, what is the rule to multiply by 0? First of all, see the digit only. 15 multiplied by 2, it is 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. Okay, then put this 10 after the product. So, answer is 300. 300 rupees. This is the amount of plastic. Then, second item is brass. 1 kg price. Now see, where is brass? 1 kg price is rupees 190. So, 1 kg price rupees 190. So, how much? 2 kg. So, 2 kg price will be how much? See, value of 1 is given, value of more than 1 is asking. Value of 1 kg is given and value of more than 1, that is 2 kg is asking. So, here we will do multiplication. Rupees 190 multiplied by 2. Okay, so see the only digit, 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38. Okay, 38 and this 10 will be put, we have to put after the product. So, rupees 380 is the amount of brass. And the last one is iron. Okay. Now, in iron, 1 kg price is rupees 20. Okay. 1 kg price rupees 20. So, we have to find out the 10 kg price. So, 10 kg price, how much? So, here value of 1 is given, value of more than 1 is asking. So, value of 1 kg is given, that is rupees 20, value of more than 1, that is 10 kg is asking. So, we will do here multiplication. 20 multiplied by 10. Okay, see only digit. 2 ones are 2, then how many 0? 1, 2. So, 2 0 will be after product. Answer will be rupees 200. Okay. So, the price of plastic rupees 300, price of brass rupees 380 and price of iron rupees 200. So what we have to do here, how much money will she receive from Anuj? Okay, so to find out the total amount of these three items we have to add. So first of all we'll write one by one. Amount of plastic is rupees 300 plastic. Okay, then after this rupees 380 it is amount of brass. Then after 380 rupees 200 it is price of iron. Now add it. 0, 0, 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 it is 0. Okay. Now 0 plus 8, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. Then 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So total amount is rupees 880. Total price. Okay. Now how can we write the answer? See, how much money will she receive from Anuj? So who is she here? She is Sunita. So we'll write the name of Sunita will receive rupees 880 from Anuj. Next, okay, question number C. Anuj buys brass at the rate of rupees 190 per kg and sells at the rate of rupees 235 per kg. So how much money will he be making by selling 5 kg of brass? Okay, now again, Anuj buys brass at the rate of 190 per kg and sells at the rate of rupees 235. So it is the selling price of Anuj. Anuj जो है वो ब्रास को इस प्राइस पे सेल करता है और बाइंग प्राइस इट इज रुपीज 190. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द प्रॉफिट. सो अनुज का प्रॉफिट फाइंड आउट करने के लिए क्या करेंगे? व्हेन द सेलिंग प्राइस इज मोर देन द कॉस्ट प्राइस और परचेसिंग प्राइस. व्हाट इज कॉस्ट प्राइस? कॉस्ट प्राइस द अमाउंट इन विच वी बाय समथिंग. जब हम कुछ खरीदते हैं जिस अमाउंट से, okay, so that cost will be called as cost price, and selling price the amount in which we sell something. जब हम किसी प्रोडक्ट को बेचते हैं, सेल करते हैं, तो जो अमाउंट हमें मिलता है that will be called as selling price. तो अगर सेलिंग प्राइस ज़्यादा है कॉस्ट प्राइस से, बाइंग प्राइस से, तो we will get profit, और अगर कम है तो हमें लॉस होगा. So here see, selling price is rupees 235 and buying price, that is cost price, it is rupees 190. So selling price is more than buying price. So here Anuj will get profit. Okay. So first of all we have to find out the profit per kg. 1 kg पे उसको कितना profit मिलता है. Okay. So first of all rupees 235 selling price of which item? Of brass. Okay. Then rupees 190 it is cost price, or we can say it is buying price, purchasing price. Okay, so cost price of brass. Now to find out the profit we have to do subtraction. सेलिंग प्राइस में से कॉस्ट प्राइस को अगर हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे देन वी विल गेट द प्रॉफिट. सी रुपीज 235 द सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ ब्रास. सेलिंग प्राइस मतलब अनुज ने इस प्राइस पे ब्रास को सेल किया, यानी कि बेचा. एंड 190 इट इज द कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ ब्रास, दैट मीन्स उतने इस प्राइस पर अनुज ने बाय किया, मीन्स खरीदा. ओके. So to find out the profit we have to do subtraction. Selling price में से cost price को हमको subtract करना पड़ेगा. So 5 minus 0, 5. Now 3 minus 9 it is not possible, so we have to take the borrow from the next to the number. So it is the 100th place. So when we take the borrow, we will cut here and we will write here 1 and here will be 13. Okay. Now 13 minus 9, 4 and 1 minus 1, 0. So rupees 45, it is a profit per kg. तो रुपीज 45 अनुज जो है वो प्रॉफिट गेन करता है पर केजी पे, 1 kg पे रुपीज 45. ओके, सो हियर वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द प्रॉफिट ऑफ 5 kg. So we'll write 1 kg profit is rupees 45. So 5 kg profit, how much? Here value of 1 is given and value of more than 1 is asking. Value of 1 kg is rupees 45 and value of 5 kg we have to find out. So we will do multiplication. 45 multiplied by 5. Okay. Do multiplication. 5 5s are 25. 5 will be here and 2 will be carry forward. Now 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. So rupees 225 profit Anuj will get at to sell 5 kg of brass. Okay. So how can we write the answer? See the question. How much money will he be making by selling 5 kg of brass? So we'll write Anuj will make 225 rupees 225 by selling 5 kg of brass. So here we have completed this. Okay, we'll move to the next question. Raman has started buying and selling junk. He buys different items and sells at Shyam's junk shop. Okay, now Raman buys from the different junk seller and then he sells at Shyam's junk shop. Below are the details of the items sold by him at Shyam shop. See, there are items 1, 2, 3, 4, newspaper, plastic, tires and thermocol, and this is the cost of 1 kg. Salt, quantity salt in first week में उसने इतना sell out किया, then quantity salt in second week. So here are the selling items of 2 weeks, first week and second week. Now see the first question. A, find the amount of money he received in the first week of selling junk. Who is he here? Here he is Raman. Okay, so the amount of money he received in the first week of selling junk. So we have to find the amount of the item which he sold in first week. Okay, so first week, see, newspaper, plastic, tires and thermocol. So we have to find out the item of those four items. So first of all, see, the first item, it is newspaper. Newspaper per kg price is rupees 12 and how the quantity sold, it is 12 kg. So per kg 1 kg price rupees 12. So the quantity of newspaper, it is 100 kg. So we have to find out the amount of 100 kg. 100 kg price, how much? 1 kg price is rupees 12. 100 kg price is how much? So we have to find out here the amount of 100 kg. Value of 1 is given, value of more than is asking. So here we will do multiplication. 12 multiplied by 100. Now see the digit only. 12 and 1. 12 ones are 12. Okay. 12 ones are 12 and here 2 zeros. So we have to put 2 0 after 12. So answer will be rupees 1200, rupees 1200. It is the price of newspaper. Now see, the second item is plastic. Okay, plastic. Now per kg plastic price is rupees 10. So first of all, write 1 kg price rupees 10. So the quantity is sold 55 kg. So 55 kg price, how much? So here we will do multiplication. Value of 1 is given, 1 kg price is rupees 10, so value of 1 is given, and value of more than 1, it is 55 kg. So value of more than is asking, so here we will do multiplication. 55 multiplied by 10. 55 ones are 55. Then how many 0? 1. So 1 0 will be put after 55. So rupees 550. Okay, the amount of plastic is rupees 550. Then next, after plastic, tire. Here 1 kg price of tire is rupees 50. Here 1 kg price rupees 50. So quantity of tires is 10 kg. So 10 kg price, how much? Value of 1 is given. 1 kg प्राइस है रुपीज 50 का और उसने कितना सेल आउट किया है? उसने 10 kg सेल आउट किया. So we have to find the amount of 10 kg. So 10 kg value of more than 1 is asking. So we will do here multiplication. 50 multiplied by 10. Rupees 5 ones are 5. Then how many 0? 1, 2. So 1, 2. Rupees 500 is the cost of, selling price of tires. Then after tire, the last item is thermocol. Then 1 kg price, 1 kg price is rupees 4 and we have to find out the price of 35 kg. So 1 kg price is rupees 4. So 35 kg price, okay, 35 kg price, how much? See, value of 1 is given rupees 4, value of more than 1 rupees 35 kg. We have to find out the amount of 35 kg. Okay, so 35 multiplied by 4. See, what will we do here? 35 multiplied by 4. Here we have to do multiplication. So 35 multiplied by 4. See, 4 5s are 20. 2 will be carried forward. Then 4 3s are 12. And 12 plus 2, 14. 114. So rupees 114. Okay. Now see, after find out the amount of newspaper, plastic, tires and thermocol, we have to find out the amount of money he received in the first week, total amount. Newspaper, plastic, tires and thermocol. Okay, so we have to find out the total amount. So first of all, we have to write all the amount of this items. First of all, rupees 1200 is the amount of newspaper. Then after 1200, the amount of plastic, rupees 550. This is the amount of plastic. Then after plastic, tires. Here the amount is rupees 500. After tire, thermocol. Okay. The amount of thermocol is rupees 140. Then do addition. To find out the total amount, we have to do addition here. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. Then 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 0, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. Then 2 plus 5, 7. Okay. Now 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. 3 and 1 will be carry forward. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 0, 2. So, answer is 2,390 rupees. Okay. Now, see the question. Find the amount of money he received in the first week. Okay. So, answer is in the first week, he received Anuj. No, sorry, Aman. Aman received rupees 2,390. Okay, next question. B. Was the amount he received on second week more? Okay, who is he here? Here he is Raman. So, was the amount Raman received on the second week more? यानी कि second week में जो उसने sell out किया, उसका amount first week से ज़्यादा है या नहीं? So, to find out this answer of this question, we have to find out the amount of the quantity sold in the second week. Okay, how much difference was there in his first week and second week? So, we have to find out the difference of amount of first week and second week. So, first week we have already find out, it is rupees 2,390, and the amount of second week we have to find out. So, first of all, see one by one. There are 4 items. Newspaper. Newspaper. 1 kg newspaper price is rupees 12. 1 kg price rupees 12. So, we have to find out the amount of 95 kg. Okay, 95 kg price how much? Now see, you have to see only now this box because we have completed this box and second week ka yahan hai, so we have to see only this. So 95 kg price will be rupees 12 multiplied by 95. Now see, do multiplication 95 and 12. Okay, see here 2 digit. So first of all, as I explained you in the multiplication, we have to start with tens place. Okay, and when we start, we have to put 0 because in here also we have to start with tens place. So 1 5s are 5, 1 9s are 9. Then here it is on ones place, so we can start from here. It is on tens place. So 2 5s are 10, 1 will be carry forward. 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19. 0, 0 plus 0 0. Then 9 plus 5, 5 plus 9 14. 1, 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 1 11. 1140. So, the amount of newspaper is rupees 1140. Okay, next. After this, plastic. Okay, so quantity of plastic in second week he sold is 70 kg and per kg 1 kg price of plastic is rupees 10. Okay, So 1 kg price rupees 10. So we have to find out of here 70 kg. So 70 kg price how much? See, again value of 1 is given and value of more than 1 is asking. So rupees 10 multiplied by 70 kg. See, 1 and 7. 1 multiplied by 7, 1 7s are 7 and 1 and 2 0 will be after 7. So rupees 700 is the amount of plastic. Then, okay, next item is tire. So 1 kg tire price is rupees 50. 1 kilogram price rupees 50. So we have to find out the amount of 12 kilograms. Okay. So 12 kilograms price how much? See, 12 multiplied by 50. 12 multiplied by 50. Now see, 12 5s are. We have to see only digit here. 12 5s are is 60. Then this 1 0 we have to put here after 60. So answer is rupees 600. So amount of tires is rupees 600. And after this, the item is thermocol. Okay. So 1 kilogram price is rupees 4. 1 kilogram price is rupees 4. We have to find out the amount of 15 kilogram. Okay. So 15 kilogram price how much? Okay. 15 multiplied by 4. Value of 1 is given and value of more than 1 is asking. So 15 multiplied by 4 is equal 15 4s are 60. Rupees 60. Now see, we got the amount of these 4 items. Now we have to find out first of all the total amount of these 4 items. Okay. See, the amount of newspaper is rupees 1140. So rupees 1140 it is amount of newspaper. Then after newspaper, plastic rupees 700. Rupees 700 plastic. Then after plastic, rupees 600. Rupees 600 it is tire. And after tire, rupees 60 thermocol. Now see, the amount of 4 items is here. We have to find out the total amount. Okay. So we have to do addition. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0. Then 4 plus 0 it is 4. 4 plus 0 it is 4. And 4 plus 6 10. 0 and 1 will be carry forward. Now 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 7 9. 9 plus 6 15. Then 1 will be carry forward. 1 plus 1 2. Then plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Yani 2 plus 0 it is 2. Then plus 0 2. Then plus 0 2. 2500 is total amount. Okay, now see. Sorry. Answer. The answer of first question, how much difference was there in his first and second week? So here we have to do subtraction. So total amount, here we have to write total amount of the second week. Total amount of second week is rupees 2500. Now here we have to write rupees 2500. Okay, after this, after getting the amount of first week and second week, we have to find out the difference between 2 weeks. Now we will continue this question again. See, was the amount he received on second week more? Now see the question, क्या वो second week का amount first week से ज़्यादा है या नहीं? So we have to compare the amount of first week and second week. See, first week amount is rupees 2,390 and second week amount is rupees 2,500. When we compare both numbers, both amount, so which is greater? See, 2,003, 2 and 2 is same, 3 and 5. It is greater, so rupees 2,500 is greater than, more than rupees 2,390. So the amount of second week is more. So what the amount he received on the second week? More? Yes. Answer is yes. And how much? How much difference was there in first and second week? So we have to do the subtraction here. Rupees 2,500 amount of second week and rupees 2,390 amount of first week. Now do subtraction. Minus करना है, okay? 0 minus 0, 0. Now 0 minus 9, we can't do here, so we have to take the borrow from which number? From 5, it is on 100 place. So we'll cut 5 and we'll write here 4 and we have to write here 10, okay? 10 minus 9, 1, 4 minus 3, 1, 2 minus 2, 0. So rupees 110 is the difference. Okay. Now second answer of second question, how much difference was there in first and second week sales? So answer is difference of sale of first and second week is rupees 110. Okay. Okay, next question. Find the total money he received in both weeks. Yani first week and second week. We have to find the total money. So, first week rupees 2,390. The amount of first week rupees 2,390. So, money he received in first week. Then after second week rupees 2,500. Money he received in second week. So here we have to find the total money. So we have to add here. Okay. 0 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 0, 9. Now 3 plus 5, 8. 2 plus 2, 4. So total amount is rupees 4,890. So total money. Then answer. Find the total money he received in both the weeks. Who is he here? Raman. Raman received rupees 4,890 in both the weeks. Okay, here we have completed our second question. Now, question number 3, based on table given below, answers the following question. Now see here two price list, Aman's rate list and Raju's rate list. Okay, now see items are same, newspaper, plastic, iron and waste material, but prices are different. The price list of Amar's it low than Raju's rate list. Okay, so here the junk seller is Sonu. Sonu buys junk material from Aman and sells it at Raju shop. यानी कि वो अमन की शॉप से तो खरीदता है, परचेस करता है और राजू की शॉप पर बेच देता है. You know why he do it? क्यों करता है ऐसा? Just because to gain the profit. कम में खरीदता है और ज्यादा में बेचता है, so that he will get the profit. Okay, so on Friday, Sonu bought 50 kilograms of newspaper from Aman. अमन की शॉप से 50 किलोग्राम न्यूज़पेपर वो उसने परचेस किया एंड सोल्ड इट एट राजू शॉप. और कहाँ पे उसने सेल आउट किया? एट राजू शॉप. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सी द परचेसिंग प्राइस मीन्स कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ सोनू. ओके, सो first of all we have to find out the cost price. What is cost price? The price in which we buy something. So Sonu bought 50 kilograms newspaper. So at from Aman shop. So see the price list of Aman shop. Here the price list of newspaper is rupees 8 per kilogram. Okay. So 1 kilogram newspaper price rupees 8. Okay, so he bought 50 kilogram. So 50 kilograms price how much? Value of one is given and value of more than one is asking. So here we will do multiplication. Rupees 8 multiplied by 50. 8 5s are 40 and then this 10 will be after 40. So rupees 400 is the cost price of newspaper. Okay, so it is the cost price. Now after find out the cost price means purchase, जिस amount में हम purchase करते हैं. So now see sold it at Raju's shop. राजू की शॉप पे उसने सेल आउट किया. नाउ सी द प्राइस लिस्ट, रेट लिस्ट ऑफ राजू शॉप. इट इज द ₹10 फॉर न्यूज़पेपर. ओके, नाउ सोनू बॉट सोल्ड आउट. उसने सोल्ड कहाँ किया? पे राजू के शॉप पे किया 50 किलोग्राम. सो 1 kg 1 किलोग्राम प्राइस इज ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर is ₹10 at Raju's shop. ₹10. Now, so we have to find out the amount of 50 kilogram. Okay, so 50 kilogram price how much? 50 multiplied by 10. Okay, see 5 ones are 5, then 1 and 2 0. Okay, so rupees 500 it is the selling price. Now see again I will explain. This is the cost price. Why? Because सोनू जो है उसने ये 50 किलोग्राम जो है बॉट किया, मीन्स उसने खरीदा. ओके, इट इज द परचेसिंग प्राइस फ्रॉम अमर रेट लिस्ट. अमर की शॉप से उसने 50 kg पहले तो परचेस किया, देन आफ्टर उसके बाद में परचेस करने के बाद में उसने राजू की शॉप पर सेल आउट कर दिया. तो सबसे पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द कॉस्ट प्राइस, देन वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द सेलिंग प्राइस. सो कॉस्ट प्राइस जब हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे तो रेट लिस्ट उसकी होगी यहाँ की अमर रेट लिस्ट, क्योंकि उसने यहाँ के शॉप से परचेस किया. एंड देन व्हेनेवर वी फाइंड आउट द सेलिंग प्राइस वी हैव टू सी द प्राइस लिस्ट ऑफ राजूस रेट लिस्ट. ओके, बिकॉज उसने यहाँ पे सेल आउट किया. सो now you have understood what is the difference between cost price and selling price. Now see the question, how much did he earn? Earn means उसने कितना उसे कितना मिला आफ्टर सेलिंग, जब उसने खरीदा एंड आफ्टर उसके बेचा, डिड ही गेट एनी प्रॉफिट? यस. हाउ टू फाइंड आउट व्हेन द सेलिंग प्राइस इज मोर देन कॉस्ट प्राइस, then we will get a profit. So here the selling price is 500 and the cost price is 400. So selling price is more than cost price. जिसमें हमने बेचा वो अमाउंट जिसमें हम बेचते हैं, अगर वो कॉस्ट प्राइस यानी कि परचेसिंग प्राइस से ज्यादा होता है, देन प्रॉफिट होता है. ओके, सो हियर सोनू गॉट अ प्रॉफिट. सो ₹500 selling price, the amount in which Sonu sell. Okay, and then ₹400 cost price. Now see the difference. The difference which we get, that is called a profit. 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, then 5 minus 4, it is 1. ₹100 is profit. Okay, now answer. How much did he earn by selling the newspaper? So answer will be Sonu earned ₹100 by selling the newspaper. Next. Okay, now see. Question number B. Sonu bought iron from Aman and sold it to Raju. अमन की शॉप से उसने बाय किया एंड राजू की शॉप पर उसने सेल आउट कर दिया and earned ₹400. How much he earned? ₹400. How many kilogram of iron did he buy and sell? So here we have to find out the quantity. Okay, so first of all see the profit. This is ₹400. It is the profit. So we have to know that how can we find out the profit. Profit is ₹400. So here quantity is not given, so we have to find out the quantity. So first of all see the cost price and the selling price of iron on from the both shops. So first of all Amar's rate list. सोनू ने अमर की शॉप से तो परचेस किया और राजू की शॉप से सेल आउट किया, शॉप पे सेल आउट किया. सो यहाँ की जो लिस्ट है वो कॉस्ट प्राइस में आएगी और यहाँ की लिस्ट है वो सेलिंग प्राइस. सो द कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ आयरन इज ₹60 एंड द selling price of iron is ₹20. So first of all we have to find out the profit of 1 kilogram. Okay, so ₹20 selling price. Okay, selling price of iron, then rupees, cost price is ₹60. So ₹16 cost price of iron. Then find the difference. 0 minus 6 can't possible, so we have to take borrow from 2. Here will be 1 and here will be 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 1 minus 1, 0. ₹4 is profit for 1 kg, means 1 kilogram. Profit on 1 kilogram. So here see ₹4 profit for 1 kilogram. So ₹400 profit for how many kilograms? Okay, so ₹4 profit on 1 kilogram. Okay, now he earned ₹400. So ₹400 profit on how many kilogram? So देखो उसने 4, अगर ₹4 वो प्रॉफिट 1 kg पे अर्न करता है तो उसने टोटल 400 प्रॉफिट अर्न किया, तो कितने किलोग्राम उसने यूनिट सेल आउट किया? सो हियर वी हैव टू डू डिवीजन. ओके, ₹400 डिवाइड बाय 4. नाउ सी वी कैन डू इन बोथ वे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 400 divide by 4. See, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4 and this 20 will be here. Answer will be 100. Then in the second way, if you want to divide 400, now see 4. See the first digit, it is 4. Take the table of 4. In 4 table, 4 will come one time. Okay. So 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4 0, and this 2 0 will be come here. So answer is 100. So sorry. Question: how many kilogram of iron did he buy and sell? So answer is Sonu bought and sold 100 kilogram. Okay. Next. Now the last question. See, if Sonu bought 5 kilograms of each item from Aman and sold them to Raju. अमन की शॉप से हर एक आइटम का 5 किलोग्राम उसने परचेज किया एंड देन सोल्ड देम टू राजू. राजू की शॉप पर उसने सेल आउट कर दिया. व्हाट वुड सोनू अर्न इन अ डे? ओके, वन डे में उसको कितना अर्न होता है? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द कॉस्ट प्राइस एंड सेलिंग प्राइस फॉर 1 किलोग्राम. सो cost price. So first of all see the cost price, that means rate list of Aman shop. Newspaper is rupees 8, plastic is rupees 5, iron is rupees 16 and waste paper is rupees 4. So both items, all items Sonu bought. Okay. Newspaper rupees 8. Then how many kilogram Sonu bought? It is 5 kilogram. So newspaper rate is rupees 8 for 1 kilogram and Sonu bought 5 kilogram. So we have to find out the price of 5 kilogram. So 8 multiplied by 5 is equal to rupees 40. Okay. Then after newspaper, plastic. See, the price of 1 kilogram is rupees 5. Now we have to find out the price of 5 kilogram. So rupees 5 multiply by 5. 5 5s are 25. Okay. Then after plastic, iron. Then the cost of iron is for 1 kilogram it is rupees 16. Rupees 16 multiplied by, we have to find out the amount of 5 kilograms. So 16 5s are rupees 80. Then after iron, waste paper. Okay, price of waste paper for 1 kilogram rupees 4. And we have to find out the amount of 5 kilograms. So 4 5s are 20. Now we have to find the total amount of all 4 items. So rupees 40 plus rupees 25 plus rupees 80 plus rupees 20. Then 40, then 25, then rupees 80, then rupees 20. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. Then 5 plus 0, 5. Then 4 plus 2, 6. Now 6 plus 8, 14. And 14 plus 2 is 18, 16. Rupees 165 is a cost price. So cost price will be rupees 165. Now after find the cost price, we have to find out the selling price. Now we have to do the calculation like that, but the price list will be different. It is from the Raju's list, rate list. Okay. Now see, the quantity will be 5 kilogram and the amount will be from this shop. So first of all, see the first item, it is newspaper. Newspaper. Now see, the price of newspaper for 1 kilogram is rupees 10. So rupees 10 multiplied by 5, 10 fives are rupees 50. Then after newspaper, plastic. Plastic. So the price of plastic for 1 kilogram is rupees 7. Now 7 multiplied by 5, it is 35. 7 fives are 35. Then after plastic, iron. The price of 1 kilogram is rupees 20. Okay. So rupees 20 multiplied by 5. Here we have to multiply by 5 because we have to find out the amount of 5 kilogram. So 20 multiplied by 5, it is rupees 100. Then after iron, waste paper. See, the price of waste paper for 1 kilogram is rupees 6. Rupees 6 multiplied by 5. 6 fives are rupees 30. Now total amount. Add 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. Then 5 plus 0, 5. Okay, now 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 will be carry forward. 1 plus 0, 1. Then 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. And 2 plus 0, 2. So selling price is 215. So cost price is 165 and selling price is 215. Now to find out the profit in a day, we have to find out the difference between selling price and cost price. Okay, rupees 215, it is selling price, and rupees 165, it is cost price. Okay. Now find the difference to find out the profit. Then 5 minus 5, 0. 1 minus 6, can't possible. So we have to take borrow from 2. Here will be 1 and here will be 11. Now 11 minus 6 is 5. And 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. So rupees 50 Sonu earn in a day. So it is profit. Now answer. Now what is the answer? What would Sonu earn in a day? So Sonu earn rupees 50 in a day. Okay. So here we have completed our lesson number 6. I hope you understood very well. Thank you. Thash.